The Pixel Watch 5 keeps the familiar round face, but the story is less about looking different and more about feeling more useful on your wrist. Starting a run is still just a couple taps, with GPS connecting up top and those clean, glanceable controls in the middle. Inside the box, Google still leans into that tidy, almost greeting card unboxing style. You get the paperwork first, then the watch and accessories tucked beneath it. It is a small thing, but the presentation matters when a wearable is supposed to feel personal from minute one. Once the workout is going, the interface does a good job staying readable while your arm is moving. The timer is large, the pause and stop controls are obvious, and that bright stop button is exactly the kind of no-mystery design you want mid-run. The phone side of the ecosystem is still part of the pitch, and accessories make that clear. A case, earbuds, and Pixel packaging all point to Google trying to sell a complete daily setup, where the watch is not an island, but a companion to everything else. What matters with a fifth-generation watch is maturity. At this point, nobody is asking whether Google can make a smartwatch. The question is whether the Pixel Watch 5 can be the boringly dependable thing you strap on every morning and stop thinking about until it helps. The paperwork and setup materials are not glamorous, but they hint at how much onboarding still matters. Watches collect intimate data, handle notifications, and sometimes make safety claims, so clear setup is part of the experience, not just something you toss aside. The best smartwatch improvements are often the quiet ones. A smoother menu, a faster sensor lock, a cleaner notification, or one less moment of fiddling can matter more day to day than a headline feature you only try once at launch. Even the charging puck and small accessories tell you what kind of product this is. A watch lives on habits, dropping it on the charger, grabbing it half awake, swapping bands, and trusting that the little pieces around it do not turn ownership into homework. There is always a funny tension with Pixel hardware. Google wants everything to feel simple, but the products are also packed with machine learning, sensors, health features, and ecosystem hooks. The magic trick is making all of that complexity disappear behind one calm interface. Seen against other tech reviewers and competing ecosystems, the Pixel Watch 5 has to do more than look clean. It has to justify why an Android user should choose Google's version of a smartwatch, especially when fitness brands and traditional watchmakers are all circling the same wrist. The design language still feels intentionally soft. Rounded glass, minimal UI, and a case that tries to disappear rather than shout. That can be elegant, but it also means comfort, durability, and battery habits become the real test after the first week. The matching Pixel phone connection is where the watch makes the most sense. Notifications, health summaries, alarms, and quick controls all work best when the phone and watch feel like one system, instead of two gadgets competing for your attention all day. When people talk about smartwatches, they often focus on features, but fit is just as important. If the watch is too bulky, too distracting, or too needy, you stop wearing it. The Pixel Watch 5 has to earn trust by staying comfortable and predictable. Google also has to balance health features carefully. The watch can surface useful trends and prompts, but it is not a doctor on your wrist. The best version of this product nudges you toward awareness without turning every metric into a tiny emergency. From the outside, the pitch sounds simple, a smarter watch for Android users. Underneath, the challenge is harder. It needs to be a fitness tracker, notification filter, safety tool, payment device, and sleep companion, while still feeling like something you actually want to wear. loss of breathing detection is the kind of feature that sounds dramatic because, honestly, it is. The important thing is how calmly it is presented. A watch can watch for warning signs in the background, then surface information in a way that feels useful instead of alarming. There's a broader trend here, too. Wearables are moving from step counters toward health context machines. That does not make them perfect, and it should not make us uncritical, but it does make the Pixel Watch 5 feel like part of a much bigger shift. Reading longer health explanations on a tiny circular screen is never ideal, but Google is clearly trying to make the information accessible. The text-heavy safety pages show how much these features depend on user understanding, not just sensors quietly collecting data in the background. Back on the phone unboxing side, the Pixel 5 reference is a reminder that Google has been building this ecosystem piece by piece. The watch is more compelling when paired with a Pixel phone, because the experience can feel more intentional across devices. The band system and charging stand are easy to overlook, but they affect the whole product. If swapping straps is painless and charging feels natural, the watch fades into your routine. If either one is annoying, even good software starts to feel less impressive. The Pixel packaging keeps things clean, white, and very Google. There's a certain confidence in that simplicity, though it also raises expectations. If the box looks this tidy, the setup, pairing, updates, and daily reliability need to feel just as polished. Trying the watch on its stand gives a better sense of its physical personality. The round display still feels watch-like. The strap adds a sporty look, and the whole thing seems designed to sit on a desk without looking like loose tech clutter. Those printed guides are easy to ignore, but they're doing real work. Between health permissions, warranty details, and setup steps, a modern wearable asks for a lot of trust. Google has to explain enough without making the product feel complicated before it even powers on. After the novelty fades, the Pixel Watch 5 will be judged by tiny daily moments. Did it track the workout? Did it catch the notification? Did it charge quickly enough for tomorrow? A great smartwatch wins by being useful over and over quietly. So the takeaway is not that the Pixel Watch 5 reinvents the category. It looks more like Google refining the pitch. A rounded, friendly watch with tighter health features, cleaner workouts, and a stronger Pixel ecosystem around it. For most people, that refinement is the point.